Hello. Oh my god. Hello. If I don't start the recording, it's never gonna start. Because I've been sitting here for literally 5 minutes. Today we are basically doing a very, spring, spring look. A very, cold girl, but not cold girl. Cold girl, but like spring girl kind of vibes, of a look. Really hard to explain. You wouldn't get it. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. I'm just gonna keep dropping shit everywhere. I need to put the mascara under me armpit because it gets it warm, and that's how I warm up my mascara. I learned it on Instagram. We're just gonna sit you over here. Don't fall. Thank you very much. All right, so I'm gonna shut up now. I use my powder thing, the lid of my powder, for my foundation. Basically, it's my what do you call it? My easel. No, not my easel. The thing you put all the paint on. This is what I use it for. Whatever the hell that's called. We're not doing primer today because we're trying to be natural people. Primer is not natural. And I'm gonna do less color correcting than I usually. Got my booty blender. Spritz, spritz. Beautiful. Shut up, phone. I have After Effects now, so you're going to be getting high quality editing. Don't Please just take that with a grain of salt. You're going to be getting better editing, though, hopefully. And right here, gotta fix this. I hope you like the intro of this video because I'm really proud of it. I've been liking cinematography. Is that the right term? Hope, I don't know. Lately, and just like taking cool video shots with cameras. Well, my phone cameras. What are you talking about? With my phone. We go in with a foundation. I use a satin foundation because I was stupid and didn't know what I was buying, apparently. No hate to people that use satin foundations, just not what I was looking for. And we're just gonna go under the eye here, and then under the eye here. Boom. And then a little here, another here, here. Eyelids for sure. We gotta brighten those babies up. Yeah. Well, I don't know what's wrong with me. It's fine. I'll stop. I'll stop. I promise. I pinky promise. I don't think I can go one YouTube video without making an accent. That should just be the title of one of my videos. Trying to go an entire video without doing an accent. Cute little nose. Nose contour. Circular. 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 Well, I really just don't know how to use the word circular. Okay, I like this. Applied on the skin with this brush. Green. With this brush. That isn't actually a brush, but you know, we'll ignore that fact right there. We do this. Time for baking. My beautiful, beautiful baking. We love baking. Beautiful. Now, no fallout here. I got the palette I'm using. And I need to be very, very chill. Because if I make one little, oh, we're done. We're doing like a green look. And if I do too much green, we're screwed. I'm being very light. I always forget that packing it in is like the best approach. It's like the best approach. Alright. I like it. Now, y'all, this is like the power move, like the power move. Like the big like yeah, coming in and taking the show move. I can't speak, whatever. Beautiful. Glitter. Glitter. If you know who I'm trying to like impersonate, let me know. Let me know. Time to brush it, brush it, brush it. We're looking beautiful. Yes. Eyebrows because I don't have an order of when I do I just do it whenever. I like used to do my eyebrows first for a while, and then I just like, oh my god, just like choking on my own spit. That's cool. But like I haven't been doing my eyebrows first recently for no reason. Just haven't. It's not thriving. This could look better. This is lacking. Lacking. whatever. We're not gonna look better, so I don't know. This eyebrow looks way better today. This one just sucks, apparently. My favorite part of the day, and that's a joke. My favorite, one of my favorite parts of my routine. Uh, we have to be chill about this. I forgot we're doing like. See, I get carried away so fast. I feel like I already did too much. Yep. No, we're doing like cold, spring cold girl. This actually works. Spring cold girl. I like that. Done with the blush. That was very difficult for me to do. Just saying. Now for hell. Cool. Ugh. Oh my god, my eyes. That was close. Whoa. Shut up, phone. I did it. Now it's glitter. Glitter time. Oh, well, we're not using the brush. Screw that. Because apparently brush can't be trusted. Beautiful. I'm excited to try this lip oil out because I've actually not tried this lip oil. To be honest. By Glass Gloss Vegan Lip Beauty, apparently. I've tried their products before, though. Some other ones. And they've been good, but I know this is quite different than like the lip glosses and stuff. Why is it like refreshing? Should I stop? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna like overdo it if I don't stop. People are probably yelling at me right now, being like, dude, that's so much. Shut up. Stop. Stop, Hope. Don't you cry no more. My lips feel great. So yeah, I'll have a link if you want it though, because I enjoyed it and they have other products I liked, and I want to share good products with y'all. Duh. And you can get 20% off using my code if you'd like. Hee. Anyways, that is it for the video. Thank you all for being here and watching this video. This is my ring cold girl-esque look. I hope you enjoy. Bye.